Hello everyone. So in today's video we're going to see about how to edit the wall structure and how to add the materials, how to add the thickness to the each layer. So for that, so let's get into the video. So first for that I'm going to draw one wall now. So going to architecture tab, wall. I'm going to use any wall here. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to edit this wall. I'm going to duplicate this one. Duplicate to cavity wall 300 exterior and click OK. So next thing we're gonna edit the parameters of the wall. So for that we go to structure, we can options called edit. I'm gonna edit this one. So if you see, so this is how the edit assembly look like. So if you want to see the preview of the wall, so you can click the preview here. So currently this is in plan view, so you can change the view to section as well. So if you go down here, you can see the section modify type attributes. You can click that one, you can see the section. So for now I'm going to change it to floor plan. So now we're going to add the thickness and other extra layers as well. So for that I'm going to add some extra plasters or another thing. So for that I'm gonna, if you see there is option called insert, I'm gonna insert some of the functions. So I'm gonna insert through 3 to 4. So I'm gonna change, if you click this one, if currently it's in this second row, so I'm gonna click this one. If you see there is option, lot of options called substrate, thermal layer, finish too. So I'm gonna click the finish one. For this I'm gonna change the thickness to 5. The next one for structure one, so I'm gonna, this is gonna be the brickwork, so I'm gonna make to 100. Sorry, I'm gonna add again. So same thing, I'm gonna add the insert. I'm gonna insert and I'm gonna change this to finish 1 5 this one structure 100 I'm gonna add the 100 for the brickwork. And next thing we're gonna add one thermal layer. So for that I'm gonna make this one, I'm gonna leave it long for now. So we're gonna add another structure as well, this one as well, 100 for the brick, and this one for the finish too. This one is 5 and if you see, so we add a layer, so I'm going to change the core boundary to top and the bottom. So if you see, we had finish one for the exterior side and finish two for the interior. So if you see, there is option, there is a lot of in the top you can see the exterior side. So basically this flat plaster will come exterior side of the wall, and this plaster will come on the interior side of the wall, and the brickwork and the thermal layer. And if you, I'm going to create the 300 wall, and so already we have a 100 100 and 100 for the 200 for brickwork, and 5 for the plasters as well. So next thing, like, so minus 210 minus 3 is 90 so I'm going to click 90 add thin layer. So next thing we're going to go to the materials. So for the finish, for the exterior, I'm going to click the material. I'm going to give the plaster. I'm going to search for plaster and click plaster. Okay. Next thing for the structure, I'm going to use the brick, common brick. So Revit already have a preset materials. You can use the materials. So if you want to create new materials, I'm gonna make the how to make the new materials in next video. So maybe so for that I'm gonna use the brickwork for the structure, and the next thing I'm gonna use the brickwork, same brickwork for the structure as well, and click OK. This one is cavity. So I'm gonna give this arrow infiltration barrier and click OK. So now you see we add all the thickness to the layers and all what are the so and then the finishes how it's gonna be. So we forgot to add the finish for the interior side. So I'm gonna make this to nap render. So we don't have any nap render. So I'm gonna use the same plaster for this one as well. Give plaster and click OK. Now we add the finish layer, structure layer, thermal cavity layer, and the structure again brickwork and the finish one. So now we're gonna click OK and click apply, and again we have to click OK. So now we created one cavity wall. So if you go to the architecture tab, go to wall, you can see the wall we created. So I'm gonna draw one wall for you. So here if you see, you can see, so you can see the plaster layer here, brickwork cavity, again the brickwork and the plasters here. So I'm going to the shaded, so you can see the brickwork here. So this is how we're gonna change the structure of the uh, how wall. So you can edit the wall. So like if you want to edit the particular, you want to build the particular way of wall for your projects, you can edit the wall for that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.